Hi, welcome to my channel Nicklix. In this video, I'm going to explain you different types of data types in C. We have a data type as integer. I have declared a variable of A of type integer, the B of type float, C of type char, and D of type double. So A is an integer variable, so it contains a 10 value. The B is a variable of float, so it contains a point value that is 20.50. The C is a character variable that has a value of character in a single quote, and D has a double, which means it have a long value. So in order to print up integer value, you need to use the access specifier as %d, and the for float you have to use %f, for character you have to use %c, and for double you have to use %lf, and after comma you have to write the variable names which you want to print, as I have printed a, b, c, and d. So if I'm going to execute this, so integer value is 10, so the 10 is been printed, then float is 20.50, character is f, and double is 10. So these are the types of data types in your C. Thanks for watching my video. So after execution, this will be the output.